guys, Dassah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair review on this hair right here. You guys, I'm super obsessed. This is the body wave wig from Hertune on Amazon. You guys, it is the 18-inch body wave wig, and you guys, I just love the length, and even you could pull it and it gives a little bit more length. I love how it falls right here. Love this texture of hair. My perfect favorite texture body wave. Let's go ahead and look at the back, how long it looks. It does have lace. Now I didn't cut the lace, I actually folded it just for this unboxing. I'm gonna probably customize it a little bit later, but just putting it on out of the box, it looks amazing, you guys. I just love how it looks. So I did the side part. I love how that looks on me. And this wig is perfect for any head size. I always like to say that because I know a lot of people have questions for me and they ask me, is this for smaller heads, bigger heads? The adjustable straps let you adjust it to your correct head size, so it won't be too tight or too loose. It'll fit you guys perfect. So oh my gosh, you guys, it's so full and just fluffy. Yeah, I love that. And it did come with accessories, as you guys can see. I think this one is my favorite just because it's like the baby blue little pony to the side. It has like the little, that's so cute, just head out, you know, run errands like that. So here's the packaging. It just says Hertune 100% virgin human hair, and this is in the 18-inch. I love the color, I love the packaging. I feel like when wigs come in boxes, it just looks so much more professional and just very put together. So let's go open it. So right out of the packaging, you can see it does come with some accessories. I love that it comes with wig caps for those of you who do wear wig caps with your wigs. It comes with 2 pieces, and I really love these little accessories. I'm gonna use these for my daughter. There's one in gray and one in blue. I just think this style is such a cute little butterfly ponytail. Let's go ahead and open the wig. So I took the hair out of the packaging. You can see right here it does say 18-inch. I do love these type of human hair wigs because the lace is not around the whole front. It's just right here in this little area, which is great quality. So this texture is the body wave wig. You guys could just see the body wave right here. Super great texture. I think the body wave is one of my favorite textures. I always say that just because I think it just looks so beautiful, so put together. See how it looks right here. Super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and look at the inside of the wig. Now it does have a clip right here, another clip right here, and then it does have a clip at the bottom as well as an adjustable strap. So like I said, wigs is universal for any head size. I love how this is constructed right here with the U lace right here. So all this, you could part it anywhere, middle part, side part, everything like that. So no complaints. I definitely recommend it. If you guys are interested in this wig, make sure to go ahead and check the description box. I always have the links to the wigs there. Also check all my social medias. Make sure to follow me, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss future uploads, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.